CT, GIMP, creating visual communication. Question 1. Ria wants to edit images using a free and open-source software. Which software should she use? Option A, GIMP. Option B, Photoshop. Option C, MS Word. Option D, CorelDRAW. Correct answer is option A, GIMP. Question 2. Ria saves her project so that layers are not lost. Which file format should she choose? Option A, PNG. Option B, JPEG. Option C, BMP. Option D, XCF. Correct answer is option D, XCF. Question 3. Which file format in GIMP keeps all layers and edits? Option A, XCF. Option B, TIFF. Option C, JPEG. Option D, GIF. Correct answer is option A, XCF. Question 4. Ria removes extra background from a photo. Which tool is she using? Option A, Move Tool. Option B, Crop Tool. Option C, Clone Tool. Option D, Scale Tool. Correct answer is option B, Crop Tool. Question 5. After cropping an image, what happens to the removed part? Option A, it is saved separately. Option B, it is permanently removed. Option C, it becomes transparent. Option D, it becomes hidden. Correct answer is option B, it is permanently removed. Question 6. Ria keeps text and image on different transparent sheets. What are these sheets called? Option A, channels. Option B, paths. Option C, layers. Option D, filters. Correct answer is option C, layers. Question 7. Why are layers useful in GIMP? Option A, they allow separate editing. Option D, they reduce quality. Option C, they delete background. Option D, they increase file size. Correct answer is option A, they allow separate editing. Question 8. Ria wants to edit text without affecting the background image. What should she use? Option A, Export option. Option B, Scale tool. Option C, Separate layers. Option D, Crop tool. Correct answer is option C, Separate layers. Question 9. Ria needs a mirror image of her photo. Which option should she use? Option A, Crop. Option B, Rotate. Option C, Flip. Option D, Scale. Correct answer is option C, Flip. Question 10. Turning an image by 90 degrees is called option A, rotating, option B, cropping, option C, flipping, option D, scaling. Correct answer is option A, rotating. Question 11. Ria wants to reduce image size for email sharing. Which option should she use? Option A, rotate image. Option B, clone tool. Option C, scale image. Option D, crop image. Correct answer is option C, scale image. Question 12. Scaling an image mainly helps to option A, add layers. Option B, increase brightness. Option C, reduce file size. Option D, improve color. Correct answer is option C, reduce file size. Question 13. The image looks too dark. Which adjustment should we use? Option A, scale. Option B, brightness and contrast. Option C, flip. Option D, crop. Correct answer is option B, brightness and contrast. Question 14. Brightness tool is mainly used to option A, improve visibility, option B, rotate image, option C, resize image, option D, remove background. Correct answer is option A, improve visibility. Question 15. There is unwanted text on a wall in the image. Which tool can remove it? Option A, clone tool. Option B, move tool. Option C, text tool. Option D, crop tool. Correct answer is option A, clone tool. Question 16. Clone tool works by option A, copying pixels from one area to another. Option B, deleting pixels. Option C, scaling pixels. Option D, rotating pixels. Correct answer is option A, copying pixels from one area to another. Question 17. RIA combines multiple images into one design. This is called option A, rendering. Option B, collage. Option C, editing. Option D, scaling. Correct answer is option B, collage. Question 18. While creating a collage, each image is added as option A, mask, option B, layer, option C, filter, option D, channel. Correct answer is option B, layer. Question 19. Which tool helps move images inside a collage? Option A, move tool. Option B, rotate tool. Option C, clone tool. Option D, crop tool. Correct answer is option A, move tool. Question 20. RIA wants to share her poster on WhatsApp. Which format is best? Option A, JPEG. Option B, XCF. Option C, BMP. Option D, TIFF. Correct answer is option A, JPEG. Question 21. JPEG format is preferred because option A has good quality with small size, option B supports transparency, option C has very large size, option D supports layers. Correct answer is option A, has good quality with small size. Question 22. If transparency is required, which format should be used? Option A, PNG. Option B, JPEG. Option C, BMP. Option D, TIFF. Correct answer is option A, PNG. Question 23. Which image format is mainly used for professional printing? Option A, GIF. Option B, TIFF. Option C, PNG. Option D, JPEG. Correct answer is option B, TIFF. Question 24. RIA adds captions to her poster. Which tool is required? Option A, text tool. Option B, move tool. Option C, crop tool. Option D, clone tool. Correct answer is option A, text tool. Question 25. Saving an image in JPEG or PNG format is called option A, importing, option B, exporting, option C, opening, option D, saving. Correct answer is option B, exporting. Question 26. GIMP is mainly used for option A, image editing and designing, option B, internet browsing, option C, programming, option D, accounting. Correct answer is option A, image editing and designing. Question 27. Which feature